Everyone talks about YouTube automation and all these other oversaturated business models, but nobody talks about the economy sitting right under our noses, which is Roblox. I decided to tap into that market and I built a simple Roblox game fully using AI. I didn't spend any money on development or ads. I wanted to answer two questions. Is this actually passive income? And how much does Roblox actually pay compared to the effort? Today, I'm showing you the raw analytics, the exact dollar amount I made, and the brutal reality of converting Robux into real cash. First, let's look at the asset. I didn't build the next Blox Fruits or Adopt Me. I made a simple tycoon/simulator game. The development took me about 40 hours initially and 20 hours since then. I used AI to code the game, and all the assets used in the game were made by me personally, so nothing was stolen. The goal here wasn't to win a game design award, it was to create a traffic funnel. In the world of Roblox, time played equals money, thanks to something called creator rewards. Even if players don't buy anything, just keeping them in the server generates revenue. Why did I even bother with this? It comes down to traffic. On YouTube, you have to fight for every click. On a website, you have to pay for SEO or ads. But on Roblox, you have millions of users actively searching for something to do. If you can get the algorithm to pick up your game, you effectively have an infinite stream of customers without spending a dime on marketing. That was the theory, at least. Let's see if it worked. Let's get into the data. Here are the visits. You can see we started at 0 and now it's rising steadily. This is the most important metric. Average playtime. Mine is sitting at almost 22 minutes. This is crucial because Roblox promotes games that keep kids on the platform longer. If this number is low, the algorithm kills your traffic. And here is day 1 retention. This tells me what percentage of players came back the next day. A solid business needs reoccurring customers, and right now we are sitting at nearly 16%. Alright, the part you care about. The money. In total, at the time of recording this, the game has generated 6,500 Robux. Now this is where it gets educational. Roblox has 3 main income streams. First one is game passes. That's when the player buys some kind of an ability or a stat boost that makes the game's progression feel way faster. The second method is creator rewards. This is passive income paid by Roblox just for having premium users play your game. The last income stream is developer products. This is usually the most rewarding of the 3. This includes all the in-game currency purchases. But Robux is not dollars. Here is the reality check. You cannot just cash out whenever you want. You need to hit the DevEx threshold, which is currently 10,000 Robux. And the exchange rate isn't 1-to-1. When you cash out via the developer exchange, Roblox pays you roughly $0.0038 per Robux. So that 6,500 Robux I earned so far, that translates to roughly $21 in real spendable cash. Is it a lot? Maybe not compared to a viral YouTube video, but considering I built this once and it's now running almost entirely on its own, it's arguably more passive than a YouTube channel, especially if your game blows up. So, is Roblox development a viable business model in 2025? If you can figure out retention, yes, it is a volume game. You need a lot of players to make significant money. But once the flywheel starts spinning, it's hard to stop. I'm going to keep optimizing this game and see if I can 100x these numbers next month. If you want to see exactly how I set up the monetization for this, or how I build the game fully with AI, join my Discord server in the description.